Tomorrow's shearing day, so we're going to bring the sheep down off the top field where they've been up on some rotational grazing, and we're going to bring them down into this field, which is the track field. It's just a little bit closer to the barn, and we're going to bring them in the morning. We haven't got a ridiculously early start in the morning. Lee wants to start shearing at 9. We're going to have a few bits to do beforehand, so just to make things a little bit easier tomorrow and a little bit less stressful first thing in the morning, we're going to bring the sheep down into this field. They'll be in here overnight. It's not amazing, this is very it's not like this all over. But we'll go up and bring the sheep down now and get them ready for shearing tomorrow.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss.
What we're going to do now, just while we're moving them down, I'm going to turn the fence off. Don't tell the sheep though.
Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss. Cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
Two little bottle lambs here at the back. Not fully got their heads around the fact that they're sheep, not people. Going. Keep going, girls. Yep. Come on. Oh, we want to watch at the bottom here now. It's alright, Bob. They'll follow us down anyway. Go on, Bob. Go on. Nice and steady, nice and steady. Just got to watch at the bottom here that they don't double back into the field to our left, which is it's got quite a high gate on it. It's not very sheep-proof at all, really. And the sheep have been grazing in there, so I just want to make sure they keep going down and going where we want. That's fine. They've got where we want them. All good, all good. No, not you. Keep going, keep going, keep going. There we are. They're all right, Bob. They're all right. I mean, I almost got some attitude stamping her feet at Bob. One of the advantages of rotational grazing with sheep is they are used to being moved around. He does want to tidy up a little bit. He'd rather those two were down with the rest of them. Don't like stragglers, do you, Bob? This is Bob. Say hello, Bob. And nothing happens without Bob say so. Here's the other guy. There he is. What's up, boy? So that's Flyboy. He was our very first sheepdog, and he was ever so good, actually. Taught me a lot about how to work with sheepdogs. Well, we've had two sort of incidents with him. Came off the back of the quad bike and hurt himself quite badly. He's not been super keen to work since then. He also got attacked then a few years ago by another dog. He's never really quite been the same since. He'll come out now and again, give a hand. He doesn't mind loading a trailer or something like that. He's not so keen on running around after stuff so much these days. We're lucky to still have him, actually. The dog attack was really quite serious. I don't want to push him too much. Bob does a cracking job for us working on his own. A little bit of backup from Fly when he's in the mood. is good fun. But yeah, he's pretty much retired now.